Today we're going to talk all about harden up your seedlings 101 before bringing them outside and losing your plants, losing your money, and losing time. So welcome back to the channel. If you live in a short garden season and you're seeding your own plants, you don't have time for fail or mistake. And especially if you're a new gardener, you want to avoid these simple mistakes. Most people think that because you grow your plants indoor and you transplant them outdoor, it's the same thing and it's going to survive. It's not going to survive, and your plant is not going to make it. Now, whether you're growing indoors, whether you're growing in the greenhouse, or whether you bought some plant from certain store, you have to pay attention. I'm going to explain the store one in a minute. This plant in here did not get used to the hot sun, heavy wind, heavy rain, pest, bugs, or nothing. So these are softer plants, basically, if you put it in words like this. It's always good and highly recommend to use an indoor fan when you're doing your seedlings. The fan definitely helps a lot, but the fan is not the same like an outdoor wind. The outdoor wind is all over around and hit the seedlings from all over. So if you're using the fan, it's always good to rotate your seedlings plants so they get in the wind from different direction, but it does help. Even with the greenhouse, we're shaded from the sun, we're shaded from the heavy wind, but they get in the sunlight and they get in a little bit wind, but it's still shaded. It's not compared to outdoor weather. When you buy from store, you have to be careful. The store, some of them will have their plants outside and some have them kind of inside, partially outside, but it's covered on top. But you have like full back door open, full entrance open, but there's like a clear plastic or glass protecting it over. It's like a greenhouse still, so you have to be careful when you buy those plants in the store and then you come home and you transplant them outside. Either they're gonna get sunburned from the hot sun, they're gonna get dehydrated really fast from the soil drying up fast. The wind might break them. It's gonna be a lot of stress and damage, and then you lose money. But to me, it's you lose time, especially if you're in a short garden season. We're in Long Island, New York. You could miss your springtime like that, and then you don't want to make this mistake in summertime, especially when the sun is really hot. A couple steps you have to take when you get seedlings. These I started indoor, and you could see they're sturdy. They've been out here for about a week. I had to bring them in a couple time because of the frost weather, but they are holding on pretty strong. So they're surviving this battle right now. This hardening process could take anywhere from 7 to 14 days, but I normally do it in a couple days. I don't wait till 2 weeks. I don't have time for 2 weeks, and I'm going to tell you how exactly I'm doing this. So first thing first, we're going to find a location in our garden where it does not have full sun. We're going to choose a cool shaded area, and we're going to bring our seedlings out and leave it for 2 hours. So day one, first step, you get your seedling, you water it well, and then choose a spot where it's cool shaded area. So this is the side of my greenhouse. I'm gonna place it here. There's no sun, just a little bit of wind, and we're gonna leave this for 2 hours. So after 2 hours, we grab it, put it back into our greenhouse, or we could put it back inside your home, whichever area you're storing it. We grab our seedling again, and then we're gonna choose a morning sun, which is right here, and we're gonna leave that for 2 hours in the sun. Then we come here after 2 hours, we grab it back and we put it inside. Make sure to water every time before bringing it out. That's day one and day two, which is very crucial and important. Do not put out the seedlings or the plants between 12 p.m. and 3 p.m., where is the peak time of the sun. It's gonna dry out the soil, stress out the plant, and even destroy or burn it. So you gotta be careful. A shaded area for day one, 2 hours, water before, and then bring it back inside. Day two, you water lightly, put it out in a sunny area. Choose a morning time or choose an evening time after 4 o'clock when the sun cools down. You want to get that light sun. And day three, we're going to bring it out for 4 hours and then bring it back inside. So day four, I do the same thing, lightly water if it needed, and I'll put it out for at least 4 to 5 hours, increasing the time at least 1 hour to 2 hours. Every single day, it's better. Day five, this is what I do on day five. Day five, I normally bring it out around 4 o'clock. I water them and I leave them out for the whole night. So on day six, what I do on day six, since it's outside already, I normally put it in a sunny area, and then I normally like 1 o'clock. Around 1 o'clock, I normally push them back to a little shaded area, and then day seven, I just leave them out full on sun, baby, full on. Then day eight, you transplant and you have healthy, strong plants. I've been doing this for a long time. Sometimes I don't even make day 8 and 7, to be honest. You guys take a full week and do this process. I know some people are like, like, dude, that's forever. No, especially if you want to save your plants, save time, and save money, you have to do this step. So check in the description box. I'm gonna write everything down, snap a picture, follow it. I'm telling you, if you're new and you're a beginner and you don't do this, you're gonna lose money, you're gonna lose plants, and you're gonna lose time. I said that before, and I'm gonna say that again. And my dog is saying the same thing. Pay attention, take notes, or else you're gonna regret it, and then you're gonna be like, man, I should have listened to green tea. All right, take your time and hardening your plant. And when you go to that store, buy plants that's already outside. If the plants are outside, bring them home, water them, wait till in the evening time, and then transplant. Do not transplant early in the morning or transplant during the hot sun. You stress the plant out. But once you transplant in the evening time and you water, you're gonna be good. All right. Any question, comment below. I'm trying to answer back everybody question. I know I've been really awful. I do apologize. The wind is picking up serious here. We're getting crazy weather here in Long Island, New York. We had some freezing weather. Now we got some nice weather coming up. Hopefully this is a break. I feel like we're gonna skip spring and just jump into summer, and we're gonna miss most of our spring plants. So harden up your plants, and take that steps, be careful, and don't lose your plant, man. It's sad that people are spending a lot of money. The plants and the seedlings right now, I'm pretty sure the price are double. If you go in these big stores, they're probably double, triple the price. That's why I do seeds. All my plants is seeds. I start early, indoor in the greenhouse, and you start early, and then you do this step right here. All right, so don't forget to like and subscribe. We're almost close to 100,000 subscribers. I appreciate everybody. I love you guys for that, and I'm grateful for that. And we got a lot of video coming up. Right now I gotta go fix my John Deere. Unfortunately, I had one tire had destroyed, and now the other one popped yesterday, so both front tires. So I gotta go change that and work on the grass. And as you can see, I got the seedlings behind me. I just watered them. They're out there full time right now, and if the sun gets too hot, then I'm just gonna move them back to a shaded area. And then in the evening time after 3 o'clock, I bring them back to the sun so they get used to it. Take this step, please, guys. If you're new, please take this step. Don't just be like, this guy's crazy. I'm not crazy. I lost plants back in the days when I did not know. So now I know, and I'm sharing it with you guys. So please take it serious. I do not want anyone to lose their beautiful seedlings, money, and plants.